What is up, everybody? We're back with another episode of All Aspects Crew, here with my boy Fuck Josh K, aka 30 Gang, and Jason Nguyen. We hope you all are doing well in week 1 of the mega quarantine kickback. We got quick little installs with Josh's 335is, and we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Penis!
Alright guys, so for the giveaway, all you have to do to enter is follow Jason Nguyen's YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, All Aspects Crew. Follow us on Instagram on both accounts. And all you have to do is just go down in the comment section, like the video, and drop a comment.
Oh, social distance, back it up,
Hashtag giveaway, okay? That's all you have to do to enter. First place prize winner will be a $100 care package. Second and third will get a $50 care package.
Ooh.
Be on the lookout for those. We'll be announcing the
winners
in about a week.
In about a week. So hashtag giveaway or hashtag quarantine kickback?
Comment down below.
Either one. Hashtag giveaway.
Hashtag
quarantine kickback or hashtag giveaway. So you will be entered to win either first place $100 care package or second and third $50 care package. Or actually, now that I think about it, you could do a hashtag social distancing, hashtag quarantine kickback, or hashtag giveaway. And while we're at it, social distance.
And if you don't have those hashtags, you will not be entered. So make sure you enter. Limit 1 comment per channel. So make a bunch of channels, subscribe.
Make a bunch of channels.
Yep.
And also, a special addition to the giveaway, you'll be receiving nudies of Jason also. We know y'all want that. Nudies of Jason. He's just gonna be wearing a hoodie only, no pants, no undies, just with his new mental tees. So be prepared for that, cause you know he's packing heat.
So we're gonna be installing first thing right now, our new carbon fiber license plate.
What the?
Okay.
Bruh.
You're gonna cough on me and come on the ground too?
What the? Jason!
What the fuck are you doing?
It's Corona time.
First thing we're installing today, our new carbon fiber license plate frames. Gonna make the back look carbon fibery. You know what I mean?
Carbon fibery, so.
Carbon fibery, look at it. You unscrew the 2 screws.
It's a pretty complicated install, so you're gonna wanna really replay this back a couple times, step by step, because there's some things that you could miss, and if you do anything wrong, you could totally blow your whole engine. You could ruin your whole transmission, blow your engine, so just make sure that you're watching this and you're doing it properly, all right?
Always make sure to install these difficult parts with all of your friends because you need all the help you can get.
Make sure to drop the license plate in your bumper too so you can scratch it.
Oh yeah.
Mic drop.
Alright, so once you guys have unscrewed your screws to take off your previous license plate frame, get your new license plate frame and your license plate. Put it back.
Wait, I think the license plate goes on top.
Oh shit, you're right. Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's better.
Okay.
Let's just split. In the holes.
Jesus Christ. Open your eyes.
Okay, that was racist.
Hey, but my pullout game's strong though.
Your putting in game sucks.
Hey, is that a new tap? You're 100?
Yeah, it is.
Bees.
Man, you tatted
Jason
up.
always keeps it.
100.
100. I like it, brother. I like it.
Thank you. Just got this one too.
Oh, nice.
Once you guys have both bolts put back onto the license plate frame.
Dude, everyone knows how to do this, bro. We don't need to watch this.
What the?
Alright, Jason, how's your car doing?
It's
Look
pretty
at
good.
me.
I also installed a carbon. I'm just kidding. I did not install it.
Alright, what's gonna be next on the Lex?
A dildo mod.
It's a surprise.
Is it?
Josh, I also got you something for your car. Your very own chandelier.
Hey!
Damn, you're slammed.
No.
Oh, my chandelier is touching the ground.
Oh my god.
Alright, so what you guys think about the license plate frame? The carbon fibers, the carbon fiber?
It looks alright.
Looks like?
No, it's beast. It's
Pretty sick.
good stuff.
Alright.
Alright guys, that's it for this install video. We'll be back for more. Just kidding.
Jason, will you marry me? Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing the start-stop engine button. I got it in yellow to match my calipers and go with the black and yellow theme. So we're going to start it off. Get yourself a pry tool. And what you're going to do is you're going to come to this end and just pry your trim off. Be gentle. Once it pops off, hey guys, so to get this whole assembly out, just push in these two clips right here and push it down so you have leverage on it, and once it's pushed in, you're able to pop it out. Once you have it popped out, just disconnect this cable right here.
Nice.
Just push in these two tabs right here and you're able to push out the cable.
I'll show you guys how this is done. There's two little prongs right here. What you're gonna want to do is get a flathead, stick it through right here. Comes right off.
Just break it off.
No, I didn't even. No, it's not broken.
I'm just kidding.
It still has everything on it.
What you want to do is get into, like, probably easier to use a pick instead of a flathead, but just get into a little groove and just pop it off. Pop it off. Once you have this off, you can get your new start button, match it up, and just pop it in there.
Woo.
Boom. Once it's fully
Hey,
you're good to go.
black and yellow.
And you can pop in the ring. Boom. You're good to go. I'm having one of my parts come in still, the carbon fiber ring for this, to get this little ugly black area out of the way so it's gonna look clean. But for now, we're just gonna install the button, and once the ring comes in, we'll install it. But back to the install, just plug it back into where you detached it, and then you can just push it back in. Boom. Once you hear it click, and then just get your trim back in, pop it back into place. Boom, you should be good.
Start your car.
And then you can start the car.
Ah, you have the key. Hey.
And that's how you install a nice start-stop button. Nice. It glows. Nice.
Alright, so now Josh is gonna give us a couple little revs. Yeah. What? Why? Fire, those turbos.
So we're going to be taking off the OEM turn signal, which is the ugly white one, into the smoked black one with sequential lights. Instead of a single blinking light, it'll be a sequential.
Do that again. How's it gonna go?
It's gonna be sick. Right, so what you want to do is pull back towards your trunk area. Just gently pry it open, and you'll feel it bend, and that's the metal inside. And so when you have it fully pushed back, just get like something flat to push back on and let it go, and I'll pry it open.
Nice.
Once it comes out, just get a flathead, and it's gonna pull back on this tab. Just gotta get it in there. It's kind of a little tight. Once you pull it off, you're done. Just get your new lights on.
Nah, dude, you're done. Just leave it.
That's it.
You're done, bro. That's good.
Dang.
So what you want to do is just match up the inside and just plug it back in. Boom. Alright, so this one came with tape, 3M tape, double-sided. So I'm gonna peel that back.
3M tape, double-sided, American grade A.
Yup. Boom. So you want to get this clip on here, push it as far as you can, and make sure this end goes in here. Might have a little trouble, but try your best to get it there.
Okay.
And what's inside?
That looks so much better than that one.
Pretty good.
Dude, this one was ugly.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's test it out.
Out with the old, in with the new. Look at that. High-tech shit right here. That's some A-grade high-tech stuff right about there. Nice.
Here comes.
Bro, we're in the fucking future. 2020. What the?
Dude, very small mod, but very classy, might I say.
Oh yeah. Those sequential like are sick. Smoked out grill. Smoked out. Not bad. Wash it up a little bit to make it look clean. Detail it and it should be good.
Alright, for the next mod, we're gonna be sticking that little pry tool of Josh's butt. Alright guys, that was yet another video. We hope everyone is staying safe, social distancing, and just enjoying your quarantine kickback. We'll be back with some more content soon. We enjoyed that little update on Josh's 335is. We didn't have the rest of his parts, so we just wanted to do a little bit while we were bored on this quarantine mega kickback. Don't forget, subscribe to All Aspects Crew, Jason Nguyen's channel for the giveaway. Comment below, giveaway, quarantine kickback, or what was the third one?
Social distancing.
Oh yeah. All right guys, don't forget for the giveaway. First place, $100 care package. Second and third place, $50 care package. Comment below. Giveaway, social distancing, or Corona kickback. We will be back for more with the update on Josh's 335is.
Make sure to put a thumbs up on the video and follow us on Instagram also.
If you don't like Josh, make sure to put a thumbs up on our video. That'll be perfect. All right, we'll be back for more, guys. Update on the Evo coming soon, and on just his RX-7. More on the 335, and on Yason's sexy Lexus right here. We will see y'all for another one soon. Deuces.
And the E30.
And the E30. Deuces.